94. Number 11. Milisan. Pagiligan. Yes, number 2. Good song, good song. Basket, may kasamang foul. Baba. Foul. Sinidang foul, number 94.
So ayan, tabla, 10 all.
Number 88.
Last 2 minutes left sa ating first quarter. 10 all.
Number 94. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Roxano.
Ayun, 10-12.
Number 11.
Keep it. 10-12, keep it.
Number 8. Ikalpa. 10 sa isang lang. Herbert. Yes, number 2. Still, good sound. Number 3. Number 4. Number 2.
16-10 in favor po. Keep it.
First time out. Campo Santo, Urte.
Ini kalau lukat pa lang to 16 na 16 million na sibo doon. Ay matingi.
Gagawin.
Kita jadi kan kisah Hindi na pagtubuan ay. Gusto ko lang tatap. Oo na, gaya ayaw. At nagtagibuyan ko pala.
Number 99. Rialdo. There's a foul.
1 minute and 6 seconds sa ating first quarter. 10-16.
For number 99, Rialdo.
10-16. Keep it.
Live again. Balik trip na.
Yes, for the shot. Yes, again.
So ayan, 12-16. 12-16 in favor po. Keep it.
Number 8, Rialdo. There's a whistle. Foul number 3. 13 foul. Keep it. Number 14. Roxano. Number 94. Yes, sir.
Ayan, another 2 points. Keep it. 12-18.
Bacosa.
Keep it.
Number 9. Number 3. Still. Number 14. Nagtapa. Yes, that's number 28. Rialdo. Number 3. So number 2. Red ball.
Ayan, last 29 seconds. First quarter.
Rialdo. To Rialdo, number 98. Yes, sir.
Another 2 points. 16-18. 2-point lead.
Last 15 seconds.
Ayaw.
Touch by red. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 to shoot. Still, number 14, Agtepa. 10 seconds. Just 5 seconds. Just 5 seconds.
Brother you.
11, number 28. Last 3 seconds. Good time. And on the first quarter, official score 18-16. Away. Keep it. Happy viewing to Mr. Deporte Junior of Barangay Kataklan. Welcome to Barangay Lago, sir. Back to the lobby. Fourteen ball, 14. Number 14. Number 88. Magsiapa number 14. Basta number 88. 10 to shoot. Number 2, Barbosa. Yes, sir.
Gusto kong mabalin.
Usoy. Number 14. Standing on the line. Number 3. Still. Leg.
Di ba lang nagtara, inurin mo.
Number 3. Laban niya, big goal. Pilit-pilit. Score. Deadlock. 18 on.
Sagulik ka laban na gaya ang sagul eh. Awat di naman ito.
Number 29, dribbling ball. Rialdo. Floater, no good. Barbosa. There's a whistle. Foul number 5, Ines. 2 shots. For number 19, Barbosa. Yes, basket. Good choice. Okay mo. Foul number 28, Rialgo.
Lee. Kanan.
Number 3. Yes, sir.
Yon. Chase Favor. 20-19. 1-point lead. Kibit-kibit. Last 6 minutes left sa ating second quarter. 19-20.
Number 8.
Kibit-kibit.
Pasa. Whistle again. Foul for number 8. 2 shots. For number 2, Barbosa. Yes, for the first shot. Yes, again. Number 2.
Yon. Chase Favor.
Nako. Binula na. Number 8. Ako na nandito.
21-20. Ayan. 14.
Kaya. Program. Higit-higit ball. Oh. Janelle. Number 8. Number 29. Andiyan na. Malaki ka na. Ariyan ko. Yes, a whistle. Foul number 22. Tumbaga. Exalo. Tumbaga. Yes, very good sign up.
Ayan, 22-20, 2-point lead, Cortin.
Magiligan. Aksalo. That's good. Martin ball. Number 99. Single. Ay, good foul. Kind of foul. Foul number 8. Lucky. Second personal foul number 8. Jump ball. Single. Rialgo, 3 points, number 99.
Ayan, 20-25, Cortin, 4 minutes and 25 sa ating second quarter.
Sing, ala. Herbert. Number 19. Number 99, Rialgo, tumalakbo. Rialgo. First to go, yes sir.
Yes, 27-20 in favor for UT. Corti.
Rico, number 28. Number 3, Pangilinan. Yes, sir. Using a glass. Number 3.
22-27. 5-point lead.
Number
Corti.
99.
3 minutes and 40 sa second quarter.
Number 19. Charge timeout. Kilit-kilit.
Nagtatayag 14 ayan. Sige.
Last 3 minutes. 26 seconds in the second quarter.
Manang medyo. Sungguh na, berpuluh. Dahil ka naman yung
Number 14. Tabla. YouTube ball. Ganyan po vertical.
Bigyan ni Sukit.
Kinikingit ball. Number 94. The number Ines. Rialto. Still number 99. Yes, sir.
29-22 in favor po team 14.
Bati. Yes, sir.
Another 2 points. Keep it. 24-29.
Almonte.
Keep it.
Number 17. Igarta. Still. Number 2, Ines. Good. Reward tayo sa kaibigan. Oy, takal. Number 9, Boy.
Another 2 points. Keep it. 26-29. 14. 2 minutes and 57 seconds sa ating second quarter.
Still.
Late at ang
Number 2.
Oh. Niala.
Yes! Bumakakita number 3. Time out! 14. Pero motion for the first half.
28-29, 1 point lead, Cortin.
Wow, untuk bogey. Siapin. Simba. 15 to shoot. Number 9, Gillisley, no good. Pass break. Number 2. Number 11, Nagkapa. Yes, sir. Number 11.
Ayun, Chase favor. 31-28. 14.
Ganyan. Kamera. Hey! Pinasakit. Pinigili ko. Magandang laban mga kaibigan. Number 2. Okay, turning over. 14 ball. Number 3.
Low.
Touch by number 3. Number. Number 19. Barbosa. Same ball. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot.
Ayun, 30-31, 1 point lead, Cortin. Ayun, 30-33, Cortin. Last 1 minute left sa ating second quarter.
Penalty. Kibit, isa sa penalty. Almuete. Tutuloy Bugaga. Almuete. Pinakalaban. Save ball.
Maya. Pagkaalaan daninir.
Number 2. Number 19, Barbosa. Number 19. Black.
Ayun.
Pass left. Number 2. Number 2. Natumban. Number 11. Number 19. Wag na, wag. Number 2. Yes, Barbosa.
30-35, 14.
Number 3. Last 24 seconds. There's a foul. Foul of number 8. Seven. First warning, number 8. Lucky. Fifteen to shoot. 11. Last 11 seconds. Last
37-30 in favor Poti Cortin. Last 8 seconds. Second quarter.
That's 5 seconds. That's 5 seconds.
Oh, bro, nagpigsan.
Second 2. 3. That's it down.
Finals.
Number 17.
Ayan, 39. 30. 9-point lead, Iti Cortin.
After the running third quarter, Cortin Baro, team score.
Ayan, 30-39. Cortin. Ayan, third quarter.
Segi. 29, Rialdo. Stop shot. Yeah, good block. Number 19.
Ayan, 41-30. Cortin.
Good throw. Wheeler. Number 29. Number 7.
Nagmaya.
Number 19.
Ayan,
Ball
43-30.
number 24.
Cortin.
Third personal foul number 24. Asano. Bonus shot for number 19. Barbosa. Happy viewing to Mr. Eric Enme. Welcome to Barangay Bali, sir. Number 3, Bobby Regan. Join us.
Ayan.
Number 9, number 8. Number 19, Barbosa. Double rival. Double rival. Number 2, yes. Basket, number 7, foul. Foul number 9.
42-43 in favor Poti Cortin.
For number 24, Aksal. On number 28, Kagirigan. Number
45-32 Cortin.
Number 0, number 3. Yes, sir.
Another 2 points. Keep it game.
Kagirigan.
34-45
Number 14.
in favor of Cortin.
Pass number 9.
Another 2 points Cortin. 34-47 Cortin.
Sigma. Number 7. Big ball. Number 8. Salva. Big ball. For 47, 34, 14. Oy! Kaya meron na yan. Kaya yan po. Number 14. Number 19. Call again, number 28. Time out. Keep it. Third personal foul, number 28. Kagirigan. Official score 49. 44. 14.
Patay.
Nagpas ko muna eh.
Ala. Ala ka.
Mga kabutogin.
Ha?
Just 5 minutes, 14 seconds in the third quarter.
Ito na amokin niya ma.
Bonus shot for 19. Barbosa. Yes. Yes, that's the number 2. Yes. Number 29. 29. Whistle.
Ayan, 36-50 in favor po ni Cortin. 4 minutes and 52 sa ating third quarter. Makamukalat ka na. Ang gagi dyan. Ape naka-loudspeaker. Ape na-load ko kuma. Lagsa ukalatan. On.
Ines.
Wala. Correct.
Ines. Yes. Number two. Ines. Number 29.
Oo.
Kebanyakan plato po sila.
Yun ang.
Kebanyakan plato na.
Kaya ito ang permita. Hindi pala dyan mga lalakta.
Ayo. Go.
Oo.
Tugang mo mo. Subla mo mo. Tao. Tugang alakta.
Oo.
Kuya Chan!
Wala.
Kuya Chan!
Laap. Ay ka mangkot ka.
Wala man dyan tayo.
Pagpa-BIR ka dito. Wala ka din pepper terma.
Number 3.
Ano?
Number 7. Foul. Pushing foul number 29. Sobrat. Number 29. Out.
Wala.
Kuya Chan!
First warning number 29.
Bagam ti 30 lata na. Naku mga ron.
Ines.
DJ Ash Advance.
Set. Ay, wala. Number 7. Sayang mo na, nakaano. Number 8. Uy, number 11. Number 11 pa rin. Wala. Wala. Walang 19. Ay, ito ka ba yung bench?
Ayan, 38-54 in favor 14-14.
Nice shot. Nice pass.
Ayun. Manitod mo.
Number 3. There's a whistle. Foul number 24.
6K lang utang ko kanya man eh.
Number.
Utang.
Number 9 out. And number 14. 14 out.
Correct.
So again, number 14. Number 7.
Ay, gano'n mayat. Okay lang. Ayan, 3 minutes and 20 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 54-40 in favor po 14.
Auxiliary. Mahabol na lang yung tibig. Number 3. Andrete. Pagiligan. kasi. Kaya ba yung parang nga natin na, kung kumarta?
Si 7 ko naman, kaya na. Oo.
Number 2, incoming ball. Number 24, Igarta. Igarta. Barbosa. Yes, number 2, Barbosa.
58-42, 14. Last 2 minutes left sa ating third
Number 2,
quarter.
yes.
Babalik mo,
Yes,
80.
Number 2, yes. Sorry. Number 3 is the basket.
Wow.
Philadelphia. Philadelphia 11. Ay, give ball.
Wow.
Last 2 minutes. 4 seconds. In the third quarter.
Oo.
Mereka. Nomor 2.
Ay.
Starting ball. Number 28. Number 3. Yes, sir. Philadelphia. Oh, yun na.
Kasarita mo lang tanga rin, mo kaya na. Huwag puta kasi kamo lang tikuan.
Yes, sir.
Oo. Ay ka magkakaputa. Magkaanak ko. Oo. Wow. Ay kasarita mo na saya ang arutan anak ko na. So, alang arutan.
Bunting sa mga punsyon for the love quarter. Number 99. Number 19. Number 7. Number 7. Silvio Mapi. Hoy. Number 3. Number 3. Yes, sir. Number 99.
Ayan, 52-62, 14, last 42 seconds. Third quarter po tayo. Ay,
Last 35 seconds. Setting the line. Last 35 seconds. Number 0. Yes, yes, foul.
yun, 54-62, 14.
Foul.
Last 29 seconds ating third quarter.
7. Number 0 out. Number 18. Hoy, tapos. Last 29 seconds. Barbosa. 15 to shoot. Number 7 makes one foul. Foul number 8. Bonus shot. For number 7. Segi. Last warning, number 8.
18 seconds left. 54-64. 10-point lead. Cortin. Another 2 points. Cortin. 54-66.
Last 12 seconds. Last. Rebound. Last ball. And at the third quarter, official score 68 54. Keep 14. Next game, Tupigay versus Balegi. And the main event, Balakpak versus Sapangan. Back to the opening, last quarter.
Ayan, last quarter na po tayo. 54-68. 14. Aganos kayo.
Almuete. There's a whistle.
Nani. Sika
Foul on number 9. Second personal foul, number 9. First team foul. Number 8. Rebound by number 9. 29.
Ah,
Foul on number 28. Pagi Regan. Last warning, number 28.
9+1.
Lino. Number 19. Pagiligan.
Another 2 points, Cortin. 72-54, Cortin. 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Last quarter.
Number 99. Sobran. Number 19. 13 out. Number 3. Number 3. Wow, running through. Number 7. Pasek. There's a foul. Foul on number 3.
Yan, another 1 point, Cortin. 54-73, Cortin.
Go, Kuya Aidan. Go, Aidan, go. Go, Aidan. Kuya, asin. Brilla. Yeah!
Number 24. Keep it out. Number 0. Kagirigan. Naghahanap ng napabasahan. To Ines. Ines, number 2. Junel, 5. Number 0. Just score 74-54. Number 3. Yes, basket number 3.
Yan, 2 points met. Keep it. 56-74. 56-74. 14.
Number 9.
24 sa ating last quarter.
Moreno. Single. Injury timeout. Surat. Number 9. Number 15. Sugar. Number 3. Ines. Number 3. Yes, again, number 3. Still, number 3. Yes, again, number 3.
60-78. Ay, 76. 60-76. 14.
Number 2, yes, sir.
Another 2 points.
Time.
Keep it. 62-76. In favor po, keep it. Ay, Cortin. 60-76, Cortin.
Routine, bench. Routine. Magaling mo kayo kasi. Sulatan niyo ito kaya. Number 3. 19. Number 9. Foul. Number 0.
Uno, Kuya Chan, go.
13 foul. Iligit.
Yeah! Kuya Chan! Ayun, Kuya Chan! Good job, Kuya Chan!
Yes, again. Number 9.
Ayan, 62-78. Cortin, 3 minutes and 55 sa last quarter.
17 sa isang shot clock. 7. 0 out. Number 28. Symbol. Yan, may pito, si Rep. Foul number 24, Igarta. First warning number 24. Bring over. Still. As the result, foul number 5. Red flag, give it. Number 2. Ines. Number 2. Number 14. Ines. Last 12 minutes, 38 seconds. 2 minutes, 38 seconds. In the last quarter. Number 15.
Ayan, 80-62. 80-62. Cortin, 2 minutes and 26 sa ating last quarter.
Give it out. Number 3. Yes, sir. Number 3. Number 99. Number 94.
Last 2 minutes left.
Wow.
64-80 in favor po iti Cortin. Manubaot, this is a 16 point lead iti Cortin. 64-80 Cortin.
Give it. This is a penalty situation. Next game, Balegi versus Tubigay. And a main event, Sablaman versus Baraka.
64-81 Cortin.
There's a foul. Foul number 29, Rialco. Third, red flag. 14. Last warning number 29, Rialco. Stepping on the line, 14 ball. 42 seconds. Foul number 29. Happy graduation, number 29. Penalty teams under penalty situation.
Ayun, 66-81. 66-81 in favor 40-14. That's 1 minute and 17. 1 minute and 17 seconds sa ating last quarter. 81-66. 14.
La shot number 0. Almuete. And that was good. Number 11, may kasama pang foul. Sobre. Foul number 2. Salo. Number 3. Number 3. Number 14. There's a foul. And number 22. He has scored 83-66. Number 3. There's a foul. Foul number 24. That's warning number 24.
Kami doy.
Ha?
Tuman ko balay ya.
Yes.
Ay pamitayag nga ako.
Last shot. Yes, again. Cross number 19. Bitawan ng Bruno. Ijata. 2. Yes, last serve yung number 2.
Ayan, 70-86. 70-86, 13.
Last 20.
Plus 20 seconds sa ating last quarter.
Moving forward, yes, sir. Serving up the line. Just 13 seconds.
14 tibaot. 86-72.
Julian, yes, sir. Number 22.
12 tibaot. 74-86.
Number 3, yes.
Sangapulo tibaot. Plus 5 seconds. Congratulations, 14. 86-76. 10-point lead. Sangapulo tibaot.
5-minute warm-up.
Ayan, don't forget to like and share. At magpa-star guys. Thank you very much for watching everyone.